How to create a Zoom link for meeting in laptop or PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can create a Zoom link for meetings in your laptop. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First steps first, you will need to open up your Zoom. So open up your Zoom and this is what it should look like. After you're here, you can create new meetings. It's really simple. You can create a new instant meeting right here, right now. Or what you can do is you can join one as well. But since we're trying to share the link for it, we can also schedule it. So press on schedule. And after you press on schedule, you can change the date and time here. You can change the dates here if you want to repeat it, if you want for it to be daily or not, it's completely up to you. After that, you can also, use your personal meetings or you can generate it automatically. You can see the password and other stuff and many more options. You can tap on save and then schedule a meeting. So let me just go back here. And after the meeting's been scheduled, you can press on the three dots and then copy the invitation. After you copy the invitation, you can then move on ahead with pasting it and sharing it to your friends. And that's how simple it is to copy the link for a Zoom meeting and sharing it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.